It's yours and you want it, I want it. Promise I need that. Till I'm married that you be and I can't fall back or quit. Cause this is a fatal attraction, so I take it all or I don't want it.
You used to be thirsty for me,
Right.
but now you wanna be set free. This is the web that you weave. So baby, now rest in peace. I'm gonna love you, oh yeah, until you hate me. I'm gonna show you what's really crazy. You should've known better. There's a mess behind. Black widow, baby. I'm a black widow, baby. Black widow, baby. I'm a black widow, baby. Black widow, baby.
Met 107 FM.
Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get along. It's been some time since we last spoke. This is gonna sound like a bad joke, but mama, I fell in love again. It's safe to say I have a new girlfriend. And I know it sounds so old, but Cupid got me in a chokehold. And I'm afraid I might get picked. I was on the map, my white flag is waving. I mean, she even cooks me pancakes, and I've been hustling when my tummy aches.